What a machine this car is! What a machine! This is unbelievable, unbelievably fast. Right, this is a Toyota Yaris, the GR. And let's see if it's gonna live up to its hype of being a proper rally car. Having said that, I'm in London on side roads, so there's not really much I can do with it, but let's see what it's like. I'm going to try and give it some first impressions, just take it for a little drive. I'm not giving this a full in-depth review. There's plenty of that on YouTube. Today we're in Stamford Hill of London and we're off. Whoa! Oh my goodness. This is very, very nippy. Let's get the sport button on. Let's see what that's like. Oh my god. Oh. With these silly bumps I can't take it out. Second gear. Right, third. Oh, damn it. I swear these things, these buses just come from nowhere. Bloody hell, you're supposed to give way. Right, let's try this again. First gear. Second gear. Oh, ho, ho. No, second gear. Oh, this car feels lovely. Extremely sporty. Whew. Wow. I'm scared to put it in track mode. Go on, let's give it a go. Right, I think it's in track mode. Let's see if that makes any bit of a difference. Right, back into first. Oh my god, it definitely does. Oh, oh my goodness. I'm so limited on these side roads here. Whoa. Oh shoot. This car. What a machine this car is. What a machine. This is unbelievable. Unbelievably fast. Wow. What a machine. Huh. Good car. Very, very good car. Very good car. This is very fast. Let me put this back into normal mode before I have a heart attack. This car is so bloody fast. Oh, do you hear that noise? Here we're restricted here to 30 miles an hour, so I've got to be careful with the speed. But oh my god, did you hear that? Whoa. Wow, this is some machine. This Toyota Yaris GR. This is complete. I don't think it shares one panel, one thing with a regular Toyota Yaris. This is something else, this. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Whoa. Anyway guys, subscribe. I hope you liked the video. Till next time, have a good day.